What's up, guys? Today will be my first Rain World video. So I haven't told you guys, but Rain World is my favorite game of all time. I'm in absolute love with this game. Like, I can't get enough of it. I have a lot of mods installed, as you can see from the custom slug cat and here. But I'm not going to be using, some of them will just be like minor changes. But, so yeah, they'll be there, but I'm not really. They won't be game changing. So, I mean, they literally are, but so that's what I'm gonna use. I wanted to finally make a Rain World video after not making any and just making Ultra Kill videos because I want to branch out my content to a couple games that I like. I'm not. I think that this very weekend we might do a stream with Chris, but I'm unsure of that. If you are watching this video, thank you a whole lot for watching videos on the channel. Even a single view is precious to me because I also recently got a editing software that I'm going to be using during to edit this after it's done, so there will be no pauses or cutouts during this video. Yeah. So let's get right into it. Today will be scavengers. I'm going to be battling 8 scavengers with key locations that have them. So I have a finite amount. All right, let's go. Darn it. Well, that was a pretty quick video. It's only gonna be a short video once I cut down all the extra footage. Probably like a minute or 2 minutes, maybe. But I hope y'all enjoyed this gameplay. I haven't played for a while, so I'm a bit rusty. I took on 12 scavs once. Yeah, believe me, real, no cap. But so, alright guys, thank you guys for watching. And I hope you'll have a marvelous day.